are very already familiar with what control statements, right? Control statements. What is control statements? What are control statements, everyone? What are control statements? Guys, are you guys sleeping? If else, then only if, else if, and all. Okay. Then what are loop statements? For loop, while loop. Okay. What are the operators we have? Different types of operators. Arithmetic. Then relational, logical, and what else we have? Bitwise operator. Okay. So this we already have discussed, and we will not be going through all of this because this is very basic, and you people are already in a stage where you are able to use this without any hesitation. Because anyway, we will be learning what syntax on it and solve few problems which you guys have done already. So I will be skipping this part, and directly we will be going to things which we have not learned so far. And one of those things today we will be learning is we will see what we will be learning. Now, say this is one house. Okay, this is a house, guys. Now, in house, how many rooms we will have usually? In a house, typically, what all rooms are there in house? Typically, say first entrance we will have, at least one entrance will be there to the house, right? And we will have a hall. Okay, hall. Now, in hall only, say we have one bathroom over here. Okay, washroom. Okay, so we have a washroom over here. Now, next what do we have after this? What is this hall? What do we have? Dining room. Okay. Okay, living room. Okay, then okay, so kitchen is here. Okay, now here we will have, say, two bedroom. This is master bedroom. Okay, now in this house we have a family living. Okay, this is Munna, and say this is Munni, everyone. Okay, Munna and Munni are staying in their house, and they have two cute little what they say, children. Munna, Munni, Chinna, Chinnu. Okay, Munna, Munni, Chinna, Chinnu are there. Okay, now in master bedroom is occupied by obviously Munna and Munni, and this other bedroom is occupied by, say, Chinna and Chinnu. Now, each of this house will have a separate, each of this room will have a separate bathroom. Okay, separate bathroom, whatever. Now this room also has a separate bathroom. Done? Okay, now say this is your road outside. Okay, now here outside their house they have a public toilet. They have a public toilet. Okay, Now, my dear friends, in their house they have made one rule, okay? Because Chinnu and Chinna and Chinnu, if they go to bathroom, they will make it very dirty. Our Mr. Munni is very, she's a cleanliness freak, okay? Because these people make the bathroom dirty, there is a rule given that Chinnu and Chinni cannot access this, okay? Chinnu and Chinni cannot access this. Which bathroom they can access, everyone? They can access their own bathroom, or they can access the bathroom in the hall, but not the bathroom in the master bedroom. Okay, not the bathroom in the master bedroom. Okay, done. But these two people can access their bathroom, the bathroom here, and even this bathroom also for emergency situations. Okay, suppose here Chinnu is sitting here Munna is sitting. Munni wants to go to bathroom, but here Chinna also is sitting in this bathroom. Okay, so she has to use any of the bathroom for emergency. So that situation, we have made rules that she can go and sit anywhere. Is this clear, everyone? Is this clear? Now, say anyone wants to be part of my example. Say Gokul, will you? Okay, not Gokul. Some guy. Okay, Gokul. We'll say Gokul. Now Gokul is going. Okay, he's friend of what? Munni. Can Gokul go and access the bathroom here, guys? Can he go and access the bathroom here? Even though he's friend of Munni, can he go and access the bathroom here? No. Can he go and access the bathroom here? No. He cannot access the bathroom here. He cannot access the bathroom here. Okay. Now they are not at home. Can he go and access the public bathroom, everyone? Can he go and access the public bathroom? If he wants to go to the washroom, can Gokul access the public bathroom? Can Gokul access the public bathroom? Yes. Now, can he access the guest bathroom? Can he access the guest bathroom? Yes, he can access, because he is what? Friend of Munni. Okay. Now, say there is this random stranger. Okay. Random stranger walking on the road. Now, can he come and directly go and access this bathroom? Can he access this bathroom? No, right? Jaan na pehchan, main tere mehman, that concept will not work here. Yes? Because it is bathroom, right? No, they cannot go randomly. I cannot go randomly and walk in someone's house and start using their bathroom. Yes or no? We cannot do that. Sorry. Is that clear, everyone? Is that clear? Can we use that? No, we cannot use that. Okay. Now, can this fellow use a public bathroom? Can this fellow use the public bathroom? Yes, he can use the public bathroom. Okay. Now tell me, can Munna use this bathroom? Yes. Can he use this bathroom? Yes. Can he use this bathroom? Yes. Can he even use the public bathroom? Yes. He can even use the public bathroom. Now, my dear friends, why we are learning all of this is, in Java, we have a concept something like this. Okay? We have a concept something like this. Say this bathroom which we are seeing here is what? Private. Private. What do you mean by private? Private means, say, this bedroom, let us call this as a class. A bedroom is a class. Okay. Now, private bathroom can be used only by whom? Private bathroom can be used only by whom? The members of the class. The members of the class. Are you guys understanding? This bathroom, which is declared as private, can be accessed only by the members of the class. Okay, can be accessed of the members of the class. Okay, now whereas this bathroom, which is say default, okay, default bathroom, okay, default bathroom can be used by the members of the class, okay, by the members of the class and the members having the relationship with the class. Okay, does Munna and Munni have relation? Chinnu and Chinnu can access this bathroom, yes, because they are members of this particular class. Okay, this particular class. But can Munna and Munni access bathroom of Chinna and Chinnu? Can they access? Yes. So, sorry, this type of bathroom is known as what? Protected. Not default, protected. Protected means what? It can be only accessed by the members who have relationship with this class. Who have relationship with this class, right? They are these parents. That is why they can use it. Okay. Now, this whole house, okay, this whole house, say we will call it as a package, everyone. We'll call it as a package. Now, this default, this is what? Default. This default, whichever bathroom is declared as default, can be accessed with any of the members of the package. Any of the members of the package. Understood? What is a package? We will see that later. But for now, you understand, anyone who has relationship with the members of this house or the package can access it. Okay, can access it. In this case, now this fellow, does he have any relationship with this package member? Yes, he knows this fellow, so he is part of this package, right? अरे आपका घर हमारा घर आपका घर है समझो. This is what we say to our friends, remember? Yeah. Similarly, in similar concept, they are telling you think this house is your house only. Come anytime you want. That is why this fellow Gokul is coming anytime he wants and using the bathroom. If he keeps on coming, they will tell him, no, don't come anytime. Done? So can I say that if it is default, it can be accessed by any members of the package. Even though they are friends, they can access this particular bathroom. Now, what about if the toilet or the bathroom is declared as public, guys? Is declared as public. It can be used by whom? It can be used by anyone, right? It can be used by anyone. Yes, or it can be accessed by anyone. Now, whenever you're building a house, okay, you have bathroom. Do you want to give access to everyone? Will you give access to everyone? अरे यार मेरा bathroom सबका bathroom आओ जाओ. No, right? You cannot do that. And even though in the house you will restrict, right? And you don't, it is my bedroom, I'll only use it, you do not come. Okay? You use your bedroom's bathroom. And then we'll have one guest bathroom, which everyone will using. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yeah? Similarly, while you are developing, okay, what? Software, you have to limit something, guys. Who can use something, who cannot use something, yes or no? Do you have to limit or not? Yeah? Otherwise, someone will come and start using our software, right? So we need to, what? Restrict our usage. So this concept, what we learned right now, this is called as what? Can anyone guess? What is this called as? This is called as access modifiers. Sorry, access specifier, not modifier, access specifier. What is access specifier? Raghav, I saw your thing and I got confused. It is called as what? Access specifier. Why? Because we are specifying the particular access to that thing. What is that thing? We will see. What is that thing? We will see. Is that clear, everyone? Okay. When we write private, okay, who all can access private? When we specify that the access level is private, can be accessed by whom? It can be accessed by only class members. Yes or no? Class members. Done. Now, if I say it is default, who all can access it? Here, see, default. It can be accessed by, see here, we have different classes here. This is one different bedroom. This is a different bedroom. Can I say it can be accessed by any class within same package. What is package and everything we will see. Don't worry about it. Now, if it is declared as protected, it can be accessed by, class with relationship to that particular class. Any class with a relationship with that particular class. Okay, that particular class. Now, what about final public? This can be accessed by any class of any package. Any class of any package. Understood? Not only the same package, any class of any package. If we have relationship with that particular person, with that particular class or anything, doesn't matter. It can be accessed by anyone. Okay. Now here, my dear friends, one critical note. This private, default, protected and public. What are these? These all are keywords. Okay. These all are what? Keywords. Okay. So you cannot change the letter or anything. Okay. Now, if you want to use private, you have to specify. If you want to use protected, you need to write the access specifier. If you want to write it public, you need to write it access specifier. If no access specifier is written, it means what type of access specifier it is? It is default. If no access specifier is mentioned, what will compiler think? It is what? Default access specifier. Any doubt in access specifier? Guys, any doubt in access specifier? Please ask me, any doubt in access specifier? Now, will you guys be able to remember access specifier? Yes. Now, I know it is early in the morning. People are sleeping in the house. You guys are not answering, but you can answer in the chat also. Yeah. Now, what is access specifier? Access specifier is what? We are specifying what member of a particular class can access what things, right? That is what we are specifying using access specifier. Is this clear, everyone? Anyone has any doubt in this? No doubt? Okay. Chalo. Now, if now next time comes, which is what? Main thing which we'll be learning and very, very important. And that is what we'll be using most of the time in any programming language out there. That is called as what? Methods, my dear friends. Methods. Okay. If you want to use a particular method, okay. If you want to use a particular method, there are how many steps involved? There are 2 steps involved. Step 1 and step 2. Before we go to that, what is a method? What is a method? What is a method? Can anyone tell? Don't tell sir, method is a function. Please. I will kill myself. Please don't tell that. What is method, everyone? Tell me what is a method. Anyone? What is a method? Can I say method? See what we write, get prime number, print this array, okay? Get number of factors. Can I say method is nothing but some kind of actions we are performing, operations or action? Yes, simple. If you put it in simple word, can we say method is nothing but what? Some kind of operations or actions we perform. Yes, some kind of operations or action, right? Add two numbers, subtract two numbers, multiply two numbers, right? Understood? What is methods? Can I say method is a simple actions we perform in our day-to-day life that will be writing in our programming language. Now, what are the two steps involved to write a method, to use a method? First you need to define a method. Define a method. Okay. What do you mean by define a method? Define means you need to create a method. Okay. Next, rather than defining a method, next what will, after defining, what is the next step? You need to call a method. Is this clear, everyone? We need to what? Call a method. What are the two steps involved to write methods? A use method. One is you need to first create method, and then after that you need to call the method. Okay. Now let us see how to create a method. Yes. Now let us see how to create a method. Okay. Creating a method. So for creating the method, we have simple syntax, everyone. Simple syntax. What is the syntax? It is simply, first we will write access specifier, okay, and access modifier, okay, then return type, then we will write method name, open and closed curly braces, open and closed curly braces. Anyone has any doubt in this? So basically what it consists of: syntax, access specifier, access modifier, return type, and what? Method name. This is what? Syntax to write a method. For example, we can consider it as, now what is the specifier we learned here, guys, so far? Public, private, protected, and default. Okay. Say let us write here, for an example, we can write it as public, okay, static. Say return type is nothing, void, and we have a method called as, say, move. Okay. Inside this we will write whatever we want. Is this clear, everyone? This is how you write a method. Now what is the next step? Everyone? We wrote the method. Next, what do we need to do? Next we need to do is, we need to call a method. How do we call a method? How do we call a method? How do we call the method? we simply write what? Method name, open and curly braces, and this is how you call method. That's it. Okay, understood everyone? Anyone has any doubt so far? Anyone has any doubt so far? Okay, chalo, let us see this in action, everyone. Let us see this in action. Okay, ready? Okay, chalo, let us see this in action. Now is it better? Guys, now is it better? Where is the chat? Chat only can't see. This is clear now? Okay. That is bad. Okay. Just give me a moment. Okay, can you guys see the iPad screen? First method. Now here we are writing what? SOPLN, what? Main starts. I'm writing in short forms, okay, to understand. Still it is clear, right, Anmol? Still it is blurry, guys. Is it still blur? No, right? Okay. Not blur, right? Okay, next. Next, what did we do here? Next, we wrote few other methods. We'll write those methods first. What we wrote? Move method. Okay. Now, what we wrote here? SOPLN. I am moving. Then SOPLN moving done. Moving done. Okay, let me copy this, paste. Okay, now what are the different methods we wrote? Move, and let me remove this. Moving, moving, move, moving, moving. Okay, we have what? Jump. Then after jump we wrote what? Slide. Okay, I am jumping, done. I am sliding, done. Yes, sliding, done. Is this clear, everyone? Now, what are we doing in main method? What are we doing in main method? First, which method is getting called, everyone? First, which method is getting called? First, we are calling move method. Yes. Now, inside move method, which method are we calling? We are calling jump method. Now, inside jump method, we are calling slide method. Slide method, we are doing nothing. Okay. Now, let us see what is happening here, right? Now, here we are trying to see how the execution flow is going whenever we call multiple methods. Now, initially, always execution happens from top to bottom and left to right in Java, guys. This you need to remember. Okay. If that is the case, first what will be our output? Everyone, this line will get executed. First output will be main starts. Now, which line will get executed next? Move will get executed first. Yes. So if move is getting executed next, where will our control go? Our control will go from this particular main method to what? Move method, everyone. The control will go from main method to what? Move method. Now, once the control is going from main method to move method, which line will get executed, everyone? I am moving will get executed. So what will be the output? I am moving. Now, next line, what is this? We are again calling a method. So if we are calling a method, then we have to go to that method. Okay. Now from here, we will go to this particular method. Okay. Now jump, which line will get executed first? I am jumping. Now from I am jumping, next what method is getting called? Slide. Now from here, what we will do? We'll go to the method slide, and which line is getting executed? I am sliding. I am sliding. Now from I am sliding, which line is next? Sliding, sliding, done. Yes, sliding, done. Now we are executed this. So now tata bye bye. Is our execution over, guys? Is the execution over? No, execution is not over. Why? Because still we have to execute this slide. So whenever execution of a particular method is completed, where will it go back? Now my question is, where will it go back? Will it go back to the main method, or will it go back to the slide method, or will it go back to the jump method? Which method will go? 1, 2 or 3? According to you, it should go back where? All execution is done, so we should go back to main method, right? Why are you saying only slide, Pallavi? We can go to 3 also, right? Yeah, Pallaviji, we can go to 3 also. Okay, so here it's not actually line by line. It is not actually line by line. What you're saying is correct. The method will go back to the method which it was invoked from. Okay, which it was called from. Now, slide method was called from which method? Everyone? Jump method. So it should go back to where? The jump method here. Yes. Now after this, which line will get executed, everyone? Jumping done will get executed. Jumping done. Now is jump method completed, everyone? Is jump method completed, everyone? Yes. Now if jump method is completed, where should it go back? Why move? Because it was invoked from move method, right? So from here it will directly go to the move method. Then which line will get executed? Moving done. Moving done. Now from here, which line will after this method is completely executed, where will our control go? From where jump was called, right? From where jump was called from? From where move was called from? From main method. So from here we will go, after this is executed, we will go to our main method where it was executed. Then finally which line will get executed after that? Main. This should be ends. So it will be main. Is this clear, everyone? Is this clear? Yeah. What is happening here? What do we understand from this? What do we understand from this particular program? What are the conclusion? What is the moral of this story? Why did we learn this example? What are the takeaways? No one? No one? Can I say here, whenever a method is called, control will go to which method? Control will go to that method. Yes or no? See here, we first main method got called automatically and we called move method. The control went to which method, everyone? It went to move method. Yes or no? Yes or no? Now what will happen after that? What will happen after that? After that we will execute that method. Okay. Now after that method is executed, what will happen? After execution is complete, where will our control go back? Control will go back to the calling method. Control will go back to which method? It will go back to the calling method, the method from which it was invoked. Understood, everyone? Anyone has any doubt so far? Anyone has any doubt so far? Yeah? Pakka, no doubt? Yeah? So you understood how a method works, yeah? Is this clear? Anyone has any doubt in the method thing? Take a minute and ask me doubts. If you have any doubts, we will cover it. Okay, no issues. That is default, that is syntax Google. Okay, that is how the main method is defined. It is a syntax. Okay. Okay, now one more main thing here. Now this whole thing is called as what? Method signature. Okay, and this is your method body. Okay, method signature, and this is what? Your method body. Whatever there in your curly braces is what? Your method body. Understood everyone? Whatever we write here is called as what? Method signature. Whatever is there in the curly braces is called as what? Your method body. Okay, done. Anything else? Anything else you have here to ask? Anything else? No doubt? Pakka? 101% sure? Yeah? Okay. Okay. Access modifier, I will let you know. For now, we will not worry about access modifier. We will let you know about access modifier. Done? Okay. That we will learn when we are learning that particular concept. Gokulji. Okay. For now, focus on access specifier. Okay. Now, access modifier is something which is static, right? Which we will see in the coming classes. Is this part clear to everyone? Is this part clear to everyone? Pakka? Okay. Now, one more thing I want to address you guys here is we can say there are two types of methods. Okay. Now, not two types, but there are multiple versions of method. Now, whenever I write here, say public static void, say move. What is this void, everyone? What is this void? According to the definition, what is this void? What is this first one? Access specifier. This is access modifier. What is this? A return type. And this is what? Method name. So can I say this is nothing but your return type? Yes, return type. Okay. Now, whenever we say return type is void, what do you mean by void, everyone? What do you mean by void, everyone? We wrote, right? No one asked here. Public static void also is there. We wrote all the methods we wrote here. What is it? Public static void only. What is void? Void means, can you say void? The meaning of void is what? Nothing. Nothing. So whenever your return type is void, what does that mean? We are telling we are returning nothing. We are returning nothing. Is this clear, everyone? Whenever I say return type is void, that means what? I am returning nothing. Please do not ask me. I will not return anything. Is this clear? Yes. Is this clear? Understood? Okay. Now, what if I want to return something? What if I want to return something? Okay. What if I want to return something? Say, let me write it down here. Okay. Okay. public static int return. Okay, now we can have anything here. Okay, but we will write here return say 40. Done. Now tell me here, what is the return type, my dear friends? What is the return type here? Return type is what? Integer, right? What is this? This is your return type. Okay. Now, if you want to return something, you need to write this what? Return statement. Return statement. Now here, this return is a keyword. Okay. Keyword used to what? Return something. Whenever if you have a return time defined in your function, you can use a return keyword. Okay. If your return type is int, what you need to do? You need to return a type of integer only. You cannot return something else. Why? Because you are telling explicitly that your return type is integer. That is why we have to only return integer. Okay. Now, same example. Let us write a program which will return our name. Okay. Now, what should be the return type? If I want to return my name, what should be my return type? String. Okay. So we should remove int. And what should be your return type, everyone? A return type should be string. Okay. Now, can I return 40? If return type is string, can I return 40? No. What are we returning here? We are returning our name. Okay, let us return our name. Say Golu. Yeah. Now, what is this Golu? What is this Golu, everyone? This Golu is of type string. Type string. So that means what? Your return type and what you are returning both should match. Both should match. It cannot mismatch. Is this clear, everyone? Anyone has any doubt? Say this method is what? Let us rename this method as return name. Return name. Now, can we write a program where we want to say, okay, let us focus on this only. Now, if this method is returning something, that we need to receive something, yes or no? If it is returning something, that means we need to receive. Now, what is it returning? An integer. So what is a vessel we have to store something? What is that vessel in programming language we use to store something? Now this is returning something and I need to store it. Variable. Very good. Variable. Now your variable should be of type what? If this is returning integer, what should be your variable type here? Now it is returning integer. Yes. What should be your variable type? It should also be int. Okay. Can I say int number is equals to, I need to call this method test. Now what is happening? This method will be called, okay, and it will return 40. And what are we storing here inside num? We will be storing 40. We will be storing 40. Is this part clear, everyone? Anyone has any doubt in this part so far? No doubt? Okay. Next, what is this method returning? What is name method returning? Now say name method is returning what? A string. Name method is returning what? A string. Now if that is the case, can I write this as return type should be string only? So I will write string n is equals to name. Okay. Now what will this return, everyone? This will return Golu. Okay. This will return what? Golu. Is this clear, everyone? Anyone has any doubt? Anyone has any doubt? Now what is this? Now what is this called? This is called as what? Method. Method with return type. method with return type. Method with return type. Is this clear, everyone? Is this clear? Anyone has any doubt? Okay. Now, can we write a method which will return, say, two numbers? Can we write a method which will return two numbers? Yeah. No, we can't write a. Okay. So we can only return only one number, right? How can we return two numbers? Because return statement will only be one. Okay. Understood, everyone? Is it clear? Anyone has any doubt so far? Anyone has any doubt so far? No doubt? Pakka? Okay. Now let me write it here. Okay, I wrote a method int sum is equals to get sum. Okay. Now let us write a function for this. Public int get sum. Okay. Why am I writing like this? Get sum. Here we will return what? Say sum of two numbers. Say sum of two numbers. 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3. What will be the value here? If I write this, what will be the value here, everyone? This will return what? 5. And what will be stored in sum, everyone? 5 will be stored in the sum. Yes or no? 5 will be stored in the sum. Okay, very good. Now, same. If I write it here, int what will happen here? What will happen here? Int 2 plus 3.5. What is 2 plus 3.5? What is it returning, everyone? What is it returning? 2 plus 3.5 will return what? 5.5. Now, what is the data type for 5.5 by default? By default in Java, the data type will not be float. It will be double, guys. Okay. It will always be double. Okay. We'll see that. But it is returning double. Now, tell me, can I store a double inside an integer? Can I store a double inside an integer? No, we cannot store it. What will happen? It will throw us an error. Compiler will give a tight slap. Yes, return type, right? It will give a tight slap. Understood? Understood? This will give an error. Now, what should we do? What should we do? Either we should change the sum type from int to double, or what we can do? Will this part give error, or will this part only give error while we are returning here? Will this part only give error? Let us see. Let us see in action. Okay. Now Okay, can you guys see the screen? Can you guys see the screen? Okay, what all did we learn today? Quick revision and we will wrap up. Okay, so in today's class we learned what? Main concept we learned was what? Access specifier. What is access specifier? Access specifier is used to what? Limit the access for. Now can you see what we are using? We are using access specifier for methods. So we wrote every method as public, yes or no? Anyone who has access to our code can call all of the public method, yes or no? He can call all of the public methods, right? If we don't want anyone to call, then we will make the methods private. That and all we will see how to call if we make it private, protected, default and everything. Done? Then after that we learned what? Method. Now in methods, how to write a method, okay? How to call a method. Done? What is this method? Signature and method body. Next, what is that we learned again? How the execution flow happens in a method, where it is going and where it is coming back. Okay. Then after that we learned method with what? Return type. Method with what? Return type. What conventions apply here? Same conventions of what will apply to the variables, right? How variable we are using, like can we store double, int, string, all of that drama also applies to what? Return type. Also applies to what? Return type. Is this clear, everyone? Yeah. Is this clear? Pakka? 100% sure? 100% sure? Okay. So today I have recorded. I will make sure the recording is available. Okay. Chalo guys. I am done with today's class.